Hello guys, welcome back to Missions of Road channel. I'm so happy you are here again. But if you are watching my video for the first time, I am an off-road and adventure enthusiast. Once you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna learn more about unique places in the UAE, Oman and Saudi Arabia, camping and hiking tips, and some topics related to off-road vehicles. So make sure to press the subscribe button and the bell notification button. It's very important if you want to be the first one to see whenever I upload a new video in the future.
It feels a million miles away, but when I'm close to you, I pray that I'll never have to leave. There's nothing more in life I want, just to feel your beating heart and let you know that I am near.
I just love the thrill of not knowing where you are going and what's going to be at the end of the trail.
'Cause I've got so much left to see, but I know free to make that free if I ain't got you by my side.
It's such a beautiful area. Whoa! Very old farms, as well as very old trees.
Time don't stop, even in the middle of a dream.
There is unfortunately not much left behind that point, because I just went there to check. But I'm just wondering if it's possible to drive somehow to the top of the mountains here, because that would be a perfect camping spot. I wouldn't mind to stay down in the wadi next to the water. Not a bad idea at all. But let's see. For now, I'll just have to reverse here somehow, because the road is finished there next to that farm. Today I am in the mountains. Wow, I found such a beautiful spot, hidden very far from the road actually. Off-road track. In the end there's like a very old farm. No houses here, just fenced off terrain with, you can tell, very old trees and bushes. I was first time out trying to camp like 2 weeks ago and it was way too hot. But now the weather is almost good. Like good enough to camp. Not perfect yet, but let's not be greedy. It's only the end of October. I think you can drive up with a car. If so, that would be so beautiful here. Wow. Okay, I walked around to find a way to drive up to these hills, but seems like there is no safe way. There is one pass, but I would have to deflate the tires and probably put some stones to make the pass more even. And I'm still thinking about it, but it's a bit dark already. One option would be to just stay here where I am, but it's a bit exposed. I don't think anyone would come here middle of the week and middle of the night. But at the same time, I don't like exposed camping spots, so I'm still thinking what to do. Or should I just go back and camp in the wadi next to water? Because that wouldn't be a bad idea as well. So far I decided to drive back, and then I will actually see what to do. Maybe I'll just go to different camping spot. I have an idea actually to go camping to a place I know already. It's a spot from my book. After I finish writing it, because it's not ready yet, I will for sure put the link in the description box. So in the future, if you watch this video, you will be able to find it there once it's ready. And the reason why I want to go there, because obviously the spot is checked out. It's a nice spot, actually, very nice spot in the Wadi, not very far away from here. Plus, I anyways wanted to go visit it again to collect some more data and take more pictures. So I think that everything is speaking for me to go there anyways. I'm home. Plot twist. Look what I have with me. This is all fresh from the mountains. I met an Emirati guy in the mountains and he invited me to see the horses in his farm. If you know me, you know I love animals, so how could I reject this proposal? Anyways, after he was so kind and he gave me all of those things. 2 baskets full of vegetables, radishes, lemons, this mint, cilantro. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, he made my day. So kind. I'm gonna make today tea with mint and with lemons directly from the mountains. It smells so good, not like from the shop. Oh, I'm so happy. I think I'll end this video here because it's already 11 p.m. So I'll have shower, have the tea, watch the TV and relax for the rest of the day. It was a really nice day today. The weather was so nice. It was a bit windy. Even in Dubai when I was going back, I was actually tempted to stay outside, like go to the beach and sit by the beach, but it's quite late already. And I want to get up early tomorrow and get the things done as well. So yeah, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video and another adventure. مع السلامة.